Hello. Hello, good evening, Yundong. Oh,
Xin chào.
wow. Hello, good evening, Yundong. How are you today? Are you happy today?
I'm good.
You're
I'm good.
good. Wow, that's good to know. And did you already eat your dinner? Did you already eat?
Yes.
Yes, wow, that's very good. And are you ready for the continuation of our lesson for today? Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So for this one, we will just review what is our lesson last time. So for this, we will listen and we will say it after. Okay? So you can say if you cannot hear the sound,
Page
okay?
9. D.
Can you hear the sound? Can you hear?
Yeah.
Okay, let's listen to the sound.
Page 9. D. Listen and say. Then act.
How are you? I'm fine. Thank you.
Okay, so one more time, let's
Page
listen.
9. D. Listen and say. Then act.
How are you? I'm fine. Thank you.
Okay, so that is for our lesson last time. So now let's try to act these words. So let's say, how are you?
How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you.
I'm fine. Thank you.
Okay, very good. Now let's try to act this sentence. So teacher will ask you and you will answer, I'm fine. Thank you. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so I will start. So how are you today? How are you today, Yundong?
I'm good.
I'm good.
So and you?
Wow, thank you so much. I'm also good. I'm fine. Thank you. Okay, very good. So that is the use of this word. Wow, good job, Yundong. Okay, so now let's try to act this. Okay, let's look at the pictures. So for this one, they will say, how are you? Let's say, how are you?
You.
I'm fine.
I'm fine. Thank you.
Thank you.
You. Okay.
Okay. So one more time, Yundong. So let's practice. How are you, Yundong? How are you? I'm fine.
So and you?
I'm good. Thank you. Wow, very good. So we can also answer that one. I'm good. Thank you. So that is the use. So remember this question and answer, okay? So if we are asked, how are you? So we will answer, I'm good, I'm fine, I'm okay. Thank you. Okay? Okay, so this will be the end of our lesson number 3. So now let's have another lesson here. So let me just open our lesson 4.
Go.
Yes,
Go back
okay.
to you. Goodbye.
Oh no.
Goodbye to you.
We're not we're not done. We have lesson
You did what?
4. Unit 1.
Hả?
Unit 1 first day.
Ôi, cái gì mà tối vậy?
Okay, so this will be our new lesson, Yundong. So we are still at Unit 1 first day. But for this lesson, we will,
What
yes.
do it?
Let's say,
First
for
day.
wow, for this lesson, Yundong, we will talk about, let's look at the picture. Do you know what are these? What are these? These are What are these? These are
It's a
shapes.
shape.
Okay, one more time. Let's say
Yes.
shapes.
Shapes. Six.
Okay, very good. So for our lesson 4, we will talk
Very good,
about
teacher.
what? What did you say? Very good. Okay, so for our lesson 4, we will talk about shapes. So different kinds of shapes. So now let's go into our video. Let's watch a video for this one.
I watched the video. Same video. Okay.
Okay. Okay, let's wait. I will just open the video. Ching. Can you see the video? Can you see it? Ching.
Let's go to the classroom. Hello, Sarah. Hello, Jamie. Hello, Emily. It's shapes class. Look at the shapes. Circles, triangles, and squares. Look, what is it? It's a circle.
Circle.
It's purple. Look, it's a square.
Purple. Square.
It's yellow.
Yellow.
Look, it's a triangle. It's black.
Black.
Shapes are great. Look, it's a mouse. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 circles.
Oh, what did you say? What did you say? Okay, let's
And
continue.
1 triangle.
Okay.
Look, it's a robot.
Robot.
It's
Robot.
1,
Goodbye.
2,
Very
3
good.
squares.
Right.
1, 2, 3 circles. And 1 triangle.
One.
Triangle.
Shapes are fun.
Okay, so that is for the shapes. Okay, so for the video, Yundong, what shapes did you see? What
Em thấy em
shapes?
trong
I see.
em
What
thấy cái gì
shape?
ở trong
What shape? Square. Very good. Square. How about this one? What shape is this? It's circle. Circle. Teacher again. What shape is this? It's this one. Circle. Wow, very good. How about this one? It's triangle. Square. Very good. So good. Good. Square. Square. Okay, wow. Very good, Yundong. So that are the shapes that we saw. Listen. Okay, I will listen. What is it? Square? Square? Oh, okay, very good. Yes? What did you say? Okay, so now let's take a look at these shapes. Okay, so this will be the shapes that we have. So let's listen. What are these shapes?
Page 10. Lesson 4. Shapes. B. Listen, point, and say. 1,
Circle,
Circle.
2,
square,
Square.
3,
Triangle.
Triangle.
4,
Rectangle.
Rectangle. Okay. So now let's read. Triangle. Wow, very good. How about circle, square? And wow, very good. Yundong is very energetic today. Good job. So these are the shapes: circle, square, triangle, and rectangle. So now let's take a look at this
Yes.
shape. Okay, what shape is this? It's circle. Very good. And what is the color of the circle, Yundong? What is the color? Its color? Green. Wow, very good. So this is our first shape. So next, let's take a look at this. What shape is this ball, Yundong? What shape is this? It's a ball. Yes, very good. This is very good. The ball is circle. Very good. Good job. So next, let's take a look at our next shape. What shape is this? Square. Perfect. It's square. And what color is the square? What?
Color kìa.
It's orange. Wow, very good. And now let's take a look at this. What is this in the picture? It's a window. Very good. And what is the shape of the window? What is the shape? It's square. Very good. Good job. Next, let's take a look at our next shape. What shape is this? What shape? It's triangle. Very good. Wow, good job. What colors? Very good. It's triangle. Okay, this one. Triangle. Okay. What colors the triangle, Yundong? What color?
Yellow.
Yellow. Very good. Now, let's take a look at this object. What do we call this? It's a it's a we call it as roof. One more time. Let's say roof. Can you say roof? Okay, perfect. So now what is the shape of the roof? What is the shape of the roof? It's triangle. Very good. Good job. So next, let's go with our next shape. What shape is this? It's rectangle. Very good. And what is the color of the rectangle? Blue. Very good. Blue. It's color blue. Now, let's take a look at this object. What is this? It's a
Door.
very good. It's a door. What is the shape of the door?
Làm chữ gì? Rectangle.
Very good. It's rectangle. Good job. So that is our shape. So it is, what is our shape? Circle, circle, square, triangle, rectangle. Wow, very good. So now, let's take a look this activity. So we will listen, we will ask and say. Yes. Panda is what is the name of your panda? What is the name of your panda? Scooby. Goofy? So cute. Okay, so now let's listen to this one. So we have
Page
here
10. C.
pattern.
Listen. Page 10. C. Listen, ask, and answer. Then practice.
Is it a circle?
Yes, it is.
Is it a circle?
No, it isn't.
Okay. So for that is for our sentence pattern. So we have here a question. So let's read the question, Yundong. Let's say, is it a circle? Is it a circle?
Yes.
Yeah. Yes, it is.
Please.
Okay, one more time. Let's say yes. Yes.
Yes.
It.
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do. One more time. Let's say yes. Yes. It.
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do. One more time. Is it a circle? This one? Is it a circle, Yundong? Yes, it is.
Yes. Is. Yes, I do.
Yes, I do. One more time. Let's say yes, it is.
Cô ấy với mà.
Yes,
Yes.
it
Is. Yes.
is.
Is.
Very good. Yes, it is. How about this one? Let's take a look at this shape. Is it a circle? Is it a circle?
Is. No, it isn't.
Wow, very good. So that is our answer. If we have a question, is it okay? So if we are answering yes, we will say yes, it is. But if it is a no, we will say no, it isn't. Okay? So let's try this one. Okay, this one. This shape, is it a triangle? Is it a triangle? This one? Is this a triangle or is it a triangle? Yes or no? No, this one, the shape. Is it a triangle?
No, it isn't.
No.
No, it isn't.
Very good. So is it a circle?
Yes, it is. Yes, it
Yes.
is.
Very good. Good job. How about this one? So I have here this. Okay, can you see that one? Is it a circle?
No, it isn't. No, it isn't.
Very good. Is it a rectangle?
Yes, it is. Yes, yes. It is. It is.
Yes, it is. Very good. So that is how we answer this question. Good job. So now let's go with our next page. Okay. So we have here a shape. So let's listen to this story.
Isn't. Is not.
Okay.
1.
Is it a circle? Yes, it is.
2.
Is it a circle? No, it isn't. Is it a square? Yes, it is.
3.
Triangle.
Is it a triangle?
Right.
Yes, it is.
Go.
4.
Is it a triangle? No, it isn't.
Triangle.
Is it a rectangle? Yes, it is.
Okay, so let's practice these shapes. So let's take a look at this shape. Okay. Yundong, is it a circle? Yes or no?
It's yeah, it is.
Very good. How about number 2? Is it a circle? Yes or no?
Nào nói
No?
rằng
Very good. No, it isn't. Is it a square? Yes or no?
is
Yes, it
is
is. Very good. So let's go with this. Number 3. Is it a triangle?
yes, it is.
Perfect. Very good. How about this one? Number 4. Is it a triangle?
No, no,
No.
it isn't.
Perfect. Very good. How about this one? Is it a
Right.
rectangle? Is it a rectangle? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
it
it
is.
is. Okay, very good. Good job. So next, let's go with our next page. Okay, so now let's read the sentence here. So let's say, is it a circle?
Yes,
Yes,
is.
very good. Next, is it a circle?
No, it isn't.
Very good. Is it a square?
Yes, it is.
Very good. Next, is it a triangle?
Yes, it is.
Very good. Next one, is it a triangle?
No,
No.
no, it isn't.
Very good. Is it a rectangle? Yes or no?
Yes.
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 It
Yes, it is.
okay, very good. Good job. So that is how we answer to the question, is it? Okay, so very good. So now let's match. Let's match the shapes in the object. So let's go with this. Do you know what is this, Yundong? It is, we call it as ruler.
Ruler.
Very good, ruler. How about number
Ruler.
2? Very good. How about number 2? What is this?
Triangle. Triangle.
It's triangle. Very good. But what is that? It is
Red. Red. Red.
a
Red.
bread. Very good, bread. How about number 3? What is this? It's a
It's a circle.
Notebook.
notebook. Okay, one more time. What is number 3? It's a note.
A nut.
Very good. How about number 4? What do we call this food? It's a
Pizza.
pizza.
Circle.
Very good. It's circle. How about
Circle.
circle? Very good. How about number 5? It's a
Book.
book. Perfect. And what is the shape of the book? It's
Square.
square. Very good. How about the ruler? What is the shape of the ruler? What is the shape of the ruler? It's rectangle. Very good. It's rectangle. How about the notebook? What is the shape of the notebook? It's also rectangle.
Triangle.
Very good. How about the bread? What shape is this?
Triangle.
triangle. Very good. And the pizza, what is the shape of the pizza?
Circle. Yeah, a circle.
Okay, very good. Good job. Okay. So now let's move on to our next activity. So let's look at this one. So number 1, the ruler. Is it the triangle? Yes or no?
No,
No,
it
it
isn't.
perfect.
Isn't.
Very good. Is it the rectangle? Yes or no?
Yes. Yeah,
Very good. Yes, it is. How about number 2? Is it a triangle? Is the bread triangle? Yes, it is. Perfect. How about the notebook? Is it a circle?
Yes. No, it isn't.
No, it isn't. Very good. Is it a rectangle? Yes or no?
Yes, it is.
Very good. Yes, it is. How about the pizza? Is it a circle?
Yeah.
Yes. Yes, it is. How about the book? Is it a rectangle? Yes or no?
No, it isn't.
Very good. Is it a square? Is it a square? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes.
it is.
Okay, very good. Yes, it is. Okay. So next, let's answer some of these. Okay, let's take a look at this. What again, what is this Yundong?
Oh,
It,
like
it's a pi-
it.
pizza. Yes. Is it a circle? Yes or no?
Yes, it isn't. It is.
Yes,
Có chữ dần kìa. It is. It isn't.
yes, it is. One more time. Let's say, yes, it is.
Yes.
It
Yes, it is.
Okay, very good. Next, let's go with
Next.
our next object. Is it the rectangle? Is it the rectangle? Yes or no? Is it the rectangle?
Yes, it is.
Yes. Yes, it is. Very good because it's a notebook. So yes, it is. Next.
It's a cookie.
Okay, next. Is it the circle?
No, it isn't.
Very good. No, it isn't. Next. Is it
Right?
a rectangle?
Rectangle. No. Yes, it is. No, it isn't. Yes, it is. No.
Yes or no? Are you sure?
Yes,
It's
yes, it
a
is.
yes, it is. Very good because rectangle shapes like this. Okay. So next one. Oh, is it a square? Is it a square? Yes or no?
Isn't. No, it isn't.
Very good. No, it isn't. How about this one? Is it a triangle?
Yes. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
Yes,
Yes,
it
it is.
is.
Yes,
Very
it
good. Yes, it is.
is.
Next,
Yes, it is.
is it a triangle? Is it a
Yes.
triangle? Yes or
Yes.
no? Are you sure? What shape is a triangle? Is it a triangle? No, it
No, it
isn't. Very good. No, it isn't. Next, is it a square? Is it a square? Yes or
Yes.
no?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, it is. Perfect. Very good. So next. Oh, Okay, so for this one, so we will do this activity in our next class because it's already our time. So you did a great job in today's lesson, Yundong, because I can see that you can see the difference between the shapes circle, triangle, square,
Chào
and
Frog. Chim
rectangle.
lắc.
Yes,
Chim lắc.
Team Luck?
Chim
What did you
clock.
say? Team Cluck? it's it's already our time. So we will do this activity next time, okay? So you did a great job today, Yundong, because you can able to answer yes or no. Yes, it is. No, it isn't. Okay? So more practice in our next class. Okay, Yundong? Okay,
Yeah,
so
listen to music.
listen to music. Okay, next class we will listen to music. Okay? See you again soon, Yundong. Thank you so much for your time today. Goodbye. See you.
See you again.
See you again. Good job. You are so very energetic today. Goodbye. Good job, Yundong. See you again. Bye bye. You can now take your rest. Goodbye. Bye bye, Panda. Bye bye. Bye. Say bye bye to mine. Bye bye.
Đó đâu?
Bye bye. Bye bye.